Today we're going to be answering 4 questions why you would want to build a porch. Question number 1, why go through all the trouble of adding a porch in the first place? Question number 2, what's the process of adding a porch? Question number 3, and an important one, do I need a permit in order to build a porch? Question number 4, do I need engineered drawings when building a porch? We're going to be answering those questions throughout this video, and you're going to see some time-lapse photography of us building this porch. This is part 1 of a multi-part series, so let's get started. So let's answer question number 1, why build a porch? Well, maybe you want some better aesthetics for your home. In the case of this home, they felt like it looked like a box. So they wanted some craftsman style. So that's what we'll be adding. Number 2, it might be for functionality. This particular home faces the south. We get a lot of sun in the summer, and that sun can beat down on a home. So this is going to add 75 feet of shade to the south side of the home. Beam up. This engineer called for a strap, 24-inch strap. You can see there, and we made a beam pocket 1.5 inches in. We're letting this hang out past because we're going to have a design on there, and that's that specialty bracket. Hey, $340 for that feller. What we're using on these brackets for the top of the post are the ECC Simpson brackets. Extra strong. This is going to be a 6. It's going to be a 6 by 12, so we don't want them to twist. We're using this bigger bracket, ECC by Simpson, instead of this little feller. Question number 2, what's the process? First of all, you want to establish a budget. How much can I afford when I'm building a porch? 2, establish a design. You want something that's going to look good for not only your home, but for the neighborhood. That thing is heavy. 6 by 12 by 10. This is supposed to be the light one in comparison to the rest of them that we're doing. We're trying to figure out a program using the scaffolding to get those up there. So far, we haven't blown out our back, so that's good. We're going to see if we can get that up there. But we just recognize we need to support these 6x6s a little more, so that when we get all that weight on there, the 6x6 isn't going to crash and burn. Question number 3, do I need a permit? Yes, you do. It's not that scary. If you're a homeowner, talk to your building department. You can pull a permit as a owner builder. And really, the building department wants what's best for you. So when you work shoulder to shoulder with them, you're going to find the best result. So talk to your local building department. So we got our 1, 2, 3 cc brackets set, as well as our first 6x12 measurement in between these 3 brackets, 165/12. Let's go cut that feller. Question number 4, do I need engineered drawings? In most cases, you do when the porch is a large one. In this example, our porch is going to be 75 feet long, and it's designed to withstand 110-mile-an-hour winds. So you think about how much math it goes into making sure that that is a secure and safe structure. In this case, it was 34 pages of mathematical engineering. How much does engineered drawings cost? Well, just the engineering on this particular porch in 2023 was $3,500. So here you can see our engineered drawings. We can see our existing home porch addition, 931 square feet. Here's our rendering of what the house will look like. Now, we had mentioned that the homeowner felt that the house looked like a box before, and we'll show you that on page A1. So as you can see, here's the 2-story addition, but it did look like a box. So when you compare that with what we're going for, 75-foot porch addition here across the front, this is an 8-foot overhang, and our additional gable that we're making here will be a 7 12 pitch. Here's our backside. So we have our east elevation, west elevation, and south elevation. As we had mentioned, these plans had to be engineered, so here's all the engineering details with our engineering stamp, and here is all his cross-section drawings that we'll have to comply with. 6x12 number 2 has been installed. That thing was heavy, about 14 feet. I thought the first one was heavy, but the second one, wow. Got our third beam ready to go in place. Just waiting for some brackets. So that will do it for part 1 of our multi-part series of building a porch. If you'd like to come back, we're going to be showing you how to cut rafters, how to hang beams, porches, what the foundation looks like. From start to finish, we'll take you along the way. So let's get started. What did I do with my hammer?